ChatGPT is already showing its power, but here we are with other powerful AI tools that you would definitely like to try. Number 1 is deepimage.ai. Okay, we have all those very old family photos that are grainy, or perhaps that picture of you as a kid. So head over to this tool and upload a particular image. For example, if you don't have an image right now, then find a grainy image on browser and upload it. Now you have the option to remove the background, reduce noise, or sharpen the image. Wait for some time and see the results with your own eyes. Number 2, Synthesia. Synthesia is an AI video creation platform. So basically this is an AI narrator with the fact that you could plug the text GPT right straight into Synthesia and a new video could be completely created. I like the fact that they've got a number of different types of avatars and they work in different languages. So bang on your YouTube channel. Number 3 is writer.me. From blog posts to social media captions, everything you can get with this AI tool. Let's say I need a video idea for YouTube channel. So click on the video idea. What are the keywords that you're going to use? Type in some keywords and you can even choose the kind of style. Now, let's say try changing the use case to blog writing, and in a couple of minutes, you can get the whole blog in front of you with the same heading. Next is NameClicks.com. This is the business name generator. The first thing you want to do is give it some keywords about your particular business. Click on generate, and next up, what kind of randomness are you looking for? After giving your inputs, give it a few seconds and you've got all. Next is BrandMark.io. This website creates unique professional logos for your business. Click on create my logo, and the first up, what's the brand name? So let's select some name and give an optional slogan too. Add some keywords, color, style, and you will get some really cool logo styles to choose from. So that's it from me today, guys. I hope you liked these AI tools. If you've got some more AI tools that you would like to share, comment section. Go for the comment section and don't forget to share this video with your friends.